In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a 3D model into Google Slides. If you're looking to add a bit of depth and interest to your presentations, incorporating 3D objects can really elevate your slides. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you need to head over to Google Slides. You can do this by simply navigating to the Google Slides website. It's important to ensure you're connected to the internet for the entire process. Once there, if you're not already signed in, you'll need to log into your Google account. This helps you access all your presentations and ensures that your work gets saved online, enabling you to collaborate with others if needed. Once you've signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Here you'll see a variety of templates to choose from. If you're starting from scratch, you may want to click on a blank presentation lane. Alternatively, if you already have a specific slide deck you'd like to enhance, you can open that file. With your chosen presentation open, you'll now want to focus on inserting the 3D model. To do this, locate the Insert option in the top menu bar. This menu is your go-to for adding any new element to your slide, whether it's text, images, or in this case, shapes. Clicking on Insert will reveal a drop-down menu. Here you'll need to select Shape. While traditionally used for 2D shapes, this option also allows you to bring in 3D models, which adds a creative dimension to your slides. Within the options under Shape, scroll through until you find the 3D objects. Google Slides provides various built-in shapes and objects, which you can easily adapt to suit your needs by resizing or repositioning them on your slides. Once you've selected a 3D object, click it to insert it into your slide. You can then click and drag to adjust its position, or use the corner handles to resize the object to fit your slide's layout perfectly. Don't forget you can use options in the Format menu to apply different effects or colors to make your 3D model visually striking. And there you have it. You've successfully added a 3D model to your presentation, and with it a touch of dynamic flair. Remember, enhancing your slides with such elements isn't just about aesthetics, it's about engaging your audience and making your message memorable. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this helps transform your presentations. If you have any questions or need further tips, feel free to reach out or check more guides. Have a great day crafting your presentations.